Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Mi 9 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this Xiaomi device. First of all, select an app, for example Chrome. Open it, click Home button and click on the square button over here. Then hold an app that you want to open in split screen view and tap on this icon with two rectangles. Then pick the other app. I will go with Play Store. And as you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!